Welcome to Tuning Your Revenue Engine, How to Predictively Manage Cash Flow and Business Growth, brought to you by Business Growth Simplified. If you own a small business, stress is part of your life. This stress can come from any number of different places. Do any of these situations sound familiar? Poor cash flow, slow or no business growth, increasing overhead, decreasing sales, low closing percentages, slow production, fewer leads than needed, and poor overall business performance. What if you could learn a single approach that could pull everything together and fix it all? A simple and easy-to-use system that would accelerate cash flow, speed up your growth, increase sales, decrease overhead, and improve profitability. This is the purpose of our business management model, Tuning Your Revenue Engine. What's different about Tuning Your Revenue Engine is that it focuses on operational metrics instead of your financials. What this means to you is that it allows you to predict what's going to happen in your financials at the end of the month, instead of using your financials to react to what's already occurred in your business after the fact and wait for weeks or even months to see the results. Four main functions of any business make up your revenue engine: marketing, which generates leads; sales, who closes contracts for business; delivery, which completes the work that was contracted for; and collections, to complete the contract. When the revenue engine misfires, you experience poor cash flow, which is the death of any business, especially a small business. To tune your revenue engine, you need to understand that it's just a mathematical formula. The problem is that most business owners don't realize that you need to work the formula backwards. That is, you start with how much money you need to make and then figure out how much work the revenue engine needs to put out in order to achieve that outcome. The questions that are answered by tuning your revenue engine are: how much revenue is your business capable of generating? Can you successfully hit your revenue goal for the year? When does your operation hit its maximum limit, and what is it? Are your prices set correctly, or are you leaving money on the table? How many more sales must you close in order to reach your annual revenue goal? Does your current marketing efforts generate enough leads to support the sales that you need? How much capital does it take in order to support your revenue goal, and when will you need more? To understand how much revenue your business can generate, your key metrics are: what's your maximum capacity of your business? That is, what's the most work that you can accomplish with your current resources? Also, you need to understand your average price and the total capital necessary in order to add capacity in the future. Next, we need to look at how much sale effort is needed in order to maximize that capacity. Critical metrics here are your close percentage, your average revenue per sale, and what it'll cost you to add more sales support in the future. Finally, you need to know how many leads are needed to support your sales target. The critical metrics here are: how well are you communicating to your target market, or your marketing effectiveness? How much is it costing you to generate a lead? That's your marketing efficiency. And how much will it cost you to add more marketing in order to ramp up to support your sales target? Notice that none of these metrics are found in your financial reports. There's a reason for that. Financial data is historical. It's like looking in the rearview mirror. If you drive down the road always looking in the rearview mirror, eventually you're going to crash into something. Operational metrics, on the other hand, tell you what's going on right now. They're forward-looking. They look out the windshield so that you see what's coming. This approach will help you to predict what's going to happen financially so that you can make adjustments and positively affect the outcome of your financial. Think of the impact managing your business in this way would have on your top and bottom line. This is what the revenue engine is all about. To get started, use the revenue engine performance checkup. In just a few minutes, you'll know which metrics you currently have and which ones that you need to calculate to begin tuning your revenue engine to accelerate your business growth. Thank you for your interest in Business Growth Simplified. To find out more about tuning your revenue engine, visit our blog at yoursmallbusinessgrowth.com and enter the tag revenue-engine.